Hi babe, welcome back to the channel. Today video is going to be how to make inner weaving, didi, underhand braid. I don't know what you call it in your place. In Nigeria, it's popularly known as didi or inner weaving, and in Hausa it's hanubiu. So of course, you make your section just as you would if you're making your normal cornrow. And again, we are going to start with 3 sections just as we do with cornrow. This is still a three strands braid. So we made a line in the middle so that it can give a sense of direction, makes it easier. Starting with the 3 sections, the middle one goes down and over to the left. So into the middle, grab the right, into the middle, grab the left, into the middle, grab the right, add more hair. Whichever one you feed, go into the middle, then you grab the alternating side. So we feed this, it moves into the middle, and then we grab the opposite side, feed into it, move it into the middle, grab the opposite side, feed more hair, move the fed one into the middle, grab the opposite side, feed it. So we are feeding our left hand side and our right hand side, and whoever gets fed is slide into the middle. Is slided. Whoever gets fed slides into the middle. You grab the opposite side, add hair, slide into the middle. So just some tips to make it come out okay. Do not add too much hair at once. When you're feeding into the left hand side or the right hand side, do not grab too much hair. Just like with normal cornrow, it is going to mess up your braid. And then you have to watch the tension in the middle as you're feeding in and exchanging. Watch the tension. That is going to determine how tight the braid is going to be. So I'm just going to let you watch. The technique applies all the way. Just have that in mind. Feed the right hand side, move it to the middle. Feed the left hand side, move it to the middle. And the only thing you need after that is practice. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you watch any ads, you're helping us make videos, so you're giving back, and we thank you. So let's continue watching. Just watch it over and over again and practice. Like, practice it while you're watching it. It's going to be so easy to learn. Enjoy.